What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can buy any stock or share on Trading212. Also, if you just recently created your Trading212 account, you can use my promo code from the description below to get a free stock worth up to $100. And now let's get started. So first off, once you open up your app, you will be on your home screen right here. Now from your home screen you can go to the search bar right here and search any stock that you wish. Now let's say that I want to buy a stock or a share of AMD. I will just type in AMD in the search bar, and then a few different options will appear. Now the first option is on Nasdaq, as you can see, on the American market. The second one is on European market, more specifically the German market. So I would like to buy the one on the US market from Nasdaq. Then I will just click on the search result. And as you can see, I already own a few shares of AMD, but that doesn't really matter in this tutorial. So to continue, first you would need to fund your account, but I assume that you already have your account funded. So once you have a few dollars or euros, depending on your currency, on your account, you can just go ahead and click buy right here. And then simply just select the amount of shares that you would like to buy. Now this is currently set to shares and not euro amount, so to change this you can just tap right here and then select the value option. Now the value option will allow you to input the amount of euros or your country's currency that you would like to exchange for the stock that you selected, or the same amount of the value in shares that you selected. So let's say that I would like to spend 10 euros to buy AMD shares. I will just tap on the euro mark and type in the amount. Then you can just click done right here. And now you have 10 euros inputted that you would like to exchange for AMD shares. Now from here just go ahead and click review order right here. Now it seems that AMD had some price volatility recently, so I will just click OK. And from here you can send a buy order. Now the US market currently is closed for about 2 more hours, so when you send this buy offer, it will be executed as soon as the market opens, that being 3:30 p.m. CET in my current time zone. So to execute the buy order, you can just click send buy order, and then the order is placed. So in about 2 hours time the market will be opened and the order will be executed. And from there, once the order is executed, you can see your shares that you purchased in your portfolio tab right here. And if you just scroll down here under your pie, if you have a pie, you can see your individual shares or stocks. And also, as you can see, this is a pending order that we just placed for 10 euros of AMD shares. So that's guys how you can buy shares or stocks on the Trading212 app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.